Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in Xeam HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged in your Xeam HR through your web portal, you need to simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.xeamhr.com. Once you do this, you will end up in its official web page where all you need to do is simply type in your employee code and tap in your password of your account and simply hit that remember me option if you want to and tap on the login option. However, if you have forgotten your password, then simply tap on forgot password to reset your password of your account as well. So this is how you get logged in your Xeam HR login. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.